PBT keycaps are keycaps made from polybutylene terephthalate, a type of plastic known for its durability, resistance to wear, and ability to maintain its texture over time, making them a popular choice among keyboard enthusiasts. Unlike the more common ABS keycaps, which can become shiny and develop a worn appearance with extensive use, PBT keycaps are less prone to fading, warping, and developing a glossy finish, ensuring a longer lifespan and better aesthetic appeal. Additionally, PBT keycaps can often withstand higher temperatures and are less likely to produce a loud sound when typing, contributing to a more satisfying typing experience. Their quality and longevity make them an essential feature for those looking to enhance their keyboard setup, both for performance and visual customization. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 PBT keycaps. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Starting of our list at number 5, Sungup PBT Keycaps. The unique side-printed keycaps are a fantastic addition for anyone looking to elevate their mechanical keyboard experience. Featuring a special side-printed design, these keycaps not only showcase vibrant patterns but also allow the keyboard's lighting to shine through the fonts, enhancing aesthetic appeal. Crafted from high-quality PBT material with an oil-resistant coating, they resist fingerprints, sweat, and oil, ensuring durability and a pristine appearance over time. The dye sublimation technology used in their production means they won't fade, even with prolonged use. This set includes 135 keys, compatible with a wide range of mechanical keyboard layouts, from 60% to 100%, along with a handy keycap puller. Designed with a cherry profile, these keycaps provide a comfortable and enjoyable typing experience, reducing finger fatigue during long gaming or work sessions. Overall, the unique side-printed keycaps combine style and functionality, making them a must-have for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. Here is the item number 4, Mintcaps Keycaps. The black and gray Japanese PBT keycaps offer a premium typing experience, crafted from high-quality PBT material with an anti-grease coating that ensures the legends remain clear and vibrant over time. Utilizing advanced dye sublimation technology, the legends are designed to withstand fading, making these keycaps not only visually appealing but also durable. The cherry profile design enhances ergonomics with a suspended high keycap and a curved layout, providing lasting comfort during extended use. This comprehensive set includes 144 keys, accommodating a wide range of keyboard layouts, including ANSI and ISO, and is compatible with popular brands like Cherry MX, Gateron, and Kale. The simple installation process makes these keycaps an excellent choice for anyone looking to customize their mechanical keyboard, blending functionality with style seamlessly. The item number 3, Dogalado PBT Keycaps. The double-shot PBT keycaps stand out with their vibrant dual-color design, ensuring that the characters remain clear and resistant to fading over time. Featuring an SA profile, these keycaps provide a unique height and tilt that enhance the typing experience, offering a more ergonomic feel and an improved sound with each keystroke. This versatile 140-key set is compatible with a wide range of mechanical keyboards, accommodating various layouts including 61, 64, 66, 68, 84, 87, 96, 98, 100, 104, and 108 keys. The translucent design, reminiscent of white jade, adds an elegant touch while allowing RGB lighting to subtly glow from the bottom, creating a pleasing ambient light effect. Additionally, the keycaps are crafted using a dual injection process, featuring a separate injection port that further enhances their quality and aesthetic appeal. Number 2 on our list, XVX PBT Keycaps. The minimalist side-printed keycap set stands out with its sleek design that elevates any keyboard aesthetic, offering a clean and modern feel whether the RGB lighting is on or off. Featuring bold, wide fonts, these keycaps enhance visibility and legibility, making each keystroke clearer than ever. Crafted from durable PBT material, they resist wear, friction, and solvents, ensuring longevity and a premium user experience. The double-shot design guarantees that the legends are molded within the keycaps, preventing fading and maintaining clarity over time. With a generous assortment of 136 keycaps, this set is compatible with a wide range of mechanical keyboards. Additionally, the ergonomic OEM profile provides comfort for extended gaming or working sessions, making these keycaps a perfect choice for both enthusiasts and casual users alike. The top one in our list, Pionery PBT Keycaps. The ultra-wide compatibility keycap set is a versatile and stylish addition to any mechanical keyboard enthusiast's arsenal, featuring an impressive array of 141 keys plus an extra 24, making it compatible with most brands including SteelSeries, Razer, and Corsair. Crafted from durable double-shot PBT material, these keycaps boast thick walls that resist wear and tear, ensuring a premium feel with a textured finish that enhances the typing experience. The meticulously crafted design eliminates gaps in the lettering, showcasing exquisite workmanship. Additionally, this set includes an eco-friendly storage box that keeps the keycaps organized, with delivery of either a canned box or carton for practical storage. Ideal for PC gaming, the translucent layers of the keycaps elevate RGB keyboard illumination, creating stunning visual effects. The ergonomic arrangement, featuring an OEM profile and varied row heights, ensures a comfortable typing experience with a curvature that fits fingers perfectly, making this keycap set an excellent choice for gamers and typists alike. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best PBT keycaps amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.